In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the automatic Outlook Mail send-receive time settings. We'll be focusing on the Outlook web version, which may be a little different from what you're used to if you've only worked with the desktop app. So let's dive right in and make sure you understand how this works. First, you'll want to navigate to your Outlook homepage. This is where you'll find your email inbox and other folders. It's a good starting point for accessing all the settings and options Outlook has to offer. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. Do you see that little gear icon? That's your settings menu, and it's where we'll find the options for adjusting your email settings. Clicking on the gear icon will bring up a menu with several options. It's worth exploring these settings to see what else you can customize in your Outlook account. But today, we're focusing specifically on the send and receive settings. Now, here's an important note. In the Outlook web version, syncing happens automatically and in real time. You won't find options for setting specific intervals like 5 or 10 minutes for your email to send and receive. This is a feature that's built into the web version of Outlook, ensuring that your emails are updated as soon as possible without any manual intervention. Because of this automatic syncing, you won't actually see a distinct send or receive setting in the Outlook web version like you might expect. So if you're searching for a way to adjust the frequency of send and receive, you'll find that it's already optimized for real-time interaction, and there's no need to adjust anything manually. This setup is designed to keep your inbox up to date instantly, reflecting new emails as they arrive. And that's pretty much it. The Outlook web version is designed to make your life a little easier by handling these updates automatically. By understanding this, you can rest easy knowing that your emails are being managed efficiently in the background. If you're using the desktop version and need to adjust send and receive intervals, you'll find those settings in a different location. But for the web version, you're all set. Remember, technology is here to make things easier, and Outlook's automatic syncing is a perfect example of that. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to manage your digital life. Until next time, take care and happy emailing.